What if I told you that the secret to transforming your life doesn't begin with a new job, a new city, or even a new relationship, but with your closet? Yes, your closet, your kitchen drawers, your bookshelf. Imagine walking into a space where everything you see sparks joy, where clutter has vanished, and where every object in your home feels like it truly belongs. Sounds magical, doesn't it? But here's the twist. It's not magic. It's a method that has helped millions across the world reset their lives by simply rethinking how they tidy. Today, we're diving into the life-changing magic of tidying up by Marie Kondo, a book that doesn't just teach you how to organize your space, but how to declutter your mind and uncover what really matters in life. Marie Kondo begins by asking a simple yet profound question. Why can't we keep our house in order? For most of us, tidying feels like an endless cycle. We clean, we declutter, and then, before we know it, the mess returns. The reason, she argues, is that we've never been taught how to tidy properly. Tidying isn't about daily chores or clever storage tricks. It's about transforming your relationship with your belongings. Her method, known as the KonMari method, focuses on one guiding principle. Only keep the things that spark joy. Chapter 1. Why can't I keep my house in order? Marie begins by addressing the frustration most of us share. No matter how often we tidy, the mess always seems to return. She argues this isn't because we're lazy or hopeless. It's because we've never been taught how to tidy correctly. Tidying is treated as something we should just pick up, yet schools never teach it, and parents rarely pass it down. As a result, we develop bad habits, cleaning by location, storing rather than discarding, or doing a little each day without ever finishing. Marie explains why the tidy a little each day philosophy is flawed. When you tidy bit by bit, you never see real transformation, which means you never change your mindset. That's why rebound happens. You hide clutter and storage, but the roots remain. Instead, she encourages what she calls a tidying festival or a once-in-a-lifetime event. Tidying thoroughly, completely, and intensely so that you reset your entire life. She also busts another myth. Tidying isn't about personality types. There are no naturally tidy or naturally messy people. In her view, everyone can learn if they follow the right process. Importantly, tidying must be done by category, clothes, books, papers, rather than by room. Only then can you see the full scope of what you own and make honest decisions. In essence, Chapter 1 establishes the foundation. Tidying isn't just about your house. It's about breaking free from old habits, facing your possessions honestly, and realizing that a truly tidy life requires a complete reset, not half measures. Chapter 2. Finish discarding first. The heart of tidying, Marie insists, is not storage, but discarding. Most people think of organizing as finding clever storage solutions, but that only hides the problem. True tidying starts with letting go. Her golden rule is simple. Before putting anything away, you must finish discarding completely. Only then should you think about storage. The criterion for discarding is deceptively simple. Does this spark joy? Take each item in your hands, feel it, and notice how your body reacts. If it brings a sense of happiness, lightness, or excitement, it stays. If not, it goes. This shift in focus from what do I throw away to what do I want to keep is what makes the KonMari method so powerful. It turns tidying into a celebration of the things you truly love. But Marie warns, don't start with sentimental items. Photographs, mementos, and keepsakes are the hardest to evaluate. If you begin there, you'll get stuck. Instead, follow her order. Clothes, books, papers, kimono, miscellaneous, sentimental items. This builds your decision-making skills as you move from the easiest to the hardest categories. She also gives practical advice. Don't let family members watch you discard. They may interfere, rescue things you've decided to let go, or project their own anxieties onto you. Tidying is a deeply personal process and should be done alone. And if you find yourself angry at your family's clutter, sometimes the problem lies in your own untidy space. By putting your house in order first, you often change the emotional climate of the household itself. Marie reminds us that discarding isn't about waste, it's about gratitude. Each object served you once, even if only to teach you that it doesn't suit you. Thank it, then release it. This mindset transforms tidying from guilt-ridden throwing away into a positive, life-affirming act. Chapter 3. Tidying by category works like magic. With the principle of discarding established, Marie dives deeper into categories. Tidying by category is crucial because most people scatter items throughout their home. If you tidy room by room, you never grasp the sheer volume of what you own. By gathering everything of one type into a single place, you confront the truth. Seeing 100 pairs of socks piled together is far more powerful than finding 2 in one drawer and 3 in another. For clothes, she instructs clients to take every piece from every drawer and closet and place them all on the floor. Then, one by one, hold each item and ask if it sparks joy. Only those that do are folded and stored. She teaches her famous vertical folding method, folding clothes into small rectangles that can stand upright. This way, you can see everything at once, and clothes are treated with respect. Even socks deserve care. Don't ball them up, because they need to rest after working hard to support you all day. For books, Marie is strict. Don't keep those you think you'll read someday. That day rarely comes. Instead, keep only the books that resonate with you deeply right now. By doing so, your bookshelf becomes a hall of fame for ideas that matter, not a graveyard of unread intentions. For papers, her rule is uncompromising. Discard everything. The only exceptions are items currently in use, items that need to be kept for a limited time, and documents that must be kept indefinitely. Everything else, old bills, random notes, outdated warranties, drains energy and clutters the mind. When it comes to kimono, miscellaneous items, Marie encourages honesty. Don't keep things just in case. These items pile up endlessly and steal space from what truly matters. Keep them only if you use and love them. Finally, sentimental items. These are always saved for last. Photos, letters, and gifts carry emotions that cloud judgment. The trick is to honor the memory, not the object. Keep a few precious pieces that spark joy and release the rest with gratitude. By the end of this process, Marie promises, you'll not only have a lighter home, but also a clearer heart. Tidying by category reveals patterns in your life, sharpens your intuition, and gives you the courage to choose joy consistently, not just in what you own, but in how you live. Chapter 4. Storing your things to make your life shine. Once the discarding process is complete, Marie turns to the question of storage. At this point, tidying should feel lighter, almost effortless, because you've already decided what truly matters. Storage is not about hiding things away. It's about designing a home where every object has a clear, intentional place. She emphasizes a place for everything and everything in its place. Marie warns against scattering storage spaces throughout your home. When items of the same category are stored in multiple locations, you lose track of what you own. The result? Duplicate purchases and creeping clutter. Instead, designate one spot for each category. Your belongings will feel respected, and you'll avoid the stress of searching. She also dismantles the obsession with elaborate storage products. Commercial storage solutions, she argues, often encourage us to keep more than we need. True storage is simple. The key is to keep it as natural as possible. Vertical storage over horizontal stacks. Clothes folded and stored upright are easier to see and access. Books placed vertically stand proudly. Even bags should be stored within each other, conserving space while keeping them accessible. One of Marie's most powerful insights is to treat storage as an act of appreciation. When you fold clothes gently, empty your bag every night, and arrange objects with care, you're not just organizing, you're creating a dialogue with your possessions. This mindful respect builds a relationship of gratitude. She even suggests decorating closets with things you love, turning them into small shrines of joy. Other tips include, never leave items on the floor, keep surfaces clear, and recognize the noise that written information creates. A home filled only with things that spark joy becomes peaceful, inspiring, and even healing. By simplifying storage, You reduce mental clutter as well as physical. Chapter 5. The magic of tidying dramatically transforms your life. In the final section, Marie unveils the deeper truth. Tidying isn't just about your belongings. It's about your entire existence. When you put your house in order, your life falls into place. The changes ripple outward, affecting everything from relationships to careers to health. She shares stories of clients who, after tidying, discovered clarity about their passions. Some quit jobs they hated and pursued lifelong dreams. Others ended toxic relationships or built stronger connections with their families. One client even lost weight, while another reported improved sales at work. These are not coincidences, Marie argues. By clearing away physical clutter, we clear away emotional baggage and gain confidence to move forward. Tidying also reshapes how we relate to time. Many of us cling to the past through mementos or fear the future by hoarding just-in-case items. Letting go teaches us that we can live in the present with trust in ourselves. Our possessions become allies, each one chosen deliberately to support the life we want now. Marie's philosophy extends into the spiritual. She suggests greeting your home when you return, acknowledging its role in sheltering and supporting you. She reminds us that living spaces influence our bodies, moods, and even fortunes. Surrounded by only what sparks joy, you naturally feel lighter and more optimistic. This shift in environment nurtures happiness from the inside out. Ultimately, the magic of tidying is transformation. It's not about folding socks perfectly or labeling bins. It's about rediscovering yourself through the process of choosing joy. Once your home reflects your truest values, you unlock the freedom to design a life that excites and fulfills you. As Marie beautifully concludes, your real life begins after putting your house in order. Marie Kondo closes with a powerful message. Tidying is not about cleaning your room. It's about resetting your life. Once you experience the joy of living in a space that truly reflects who you are, you'll never want to go back. You'll gain clarity on what matters most, whether that's your career, your relationships, or your inner peace. So, the next time you look at that overflowing closet or that messy drawer, don't see it as a burden. See it as an opportunity to choose joy, to choose clarity, and to choose the life you've always wanted. If this summary sparked something in you, maybe it's time to try the KonMari method yourself. And if you enjoyed this breakdown, don't forget to subscribe for more deep, life-changing book summaries that help you grow, declutter your mind, and live more intentionally. Your life-changing magic might just be one tidy step away.